Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to blur background image in your Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar type in canva.com. It will lead you to a homepage of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. On the left side you can see different options here. Click on uploads and upload your desired background image. Here I am choosing this one as an example. Now you can see this edit image option on the top. Click on it and here you can see this blur image. Click on it. Now click on whole image and increase this intensity value. Now if you click on this text button and add a text box, and here you can see that you have successfully blurred the background image of your Canva project. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.